got a Linksys SPA941 on the Netplan hosted PBX system. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to upgrade the firmware on our Linksys SPA941. Now, to do this, we need to get the IP that the Linksys is displaying. To do this, we need to go over to our handset. We need to press our options menu. We need to scroll through the menu until we find option 9, which displays our network settings. We select. Option 2 displays our current IP address. This is the IP address that we need to upgrade our firmware. Now, to upgrade the firmware, we're going to use a handy firmware upgrade tool that's provided by Linksys. We just open up this application, click continue, and this is where we enter in the IP address of the handset. We click OK, click upgrade, and the process continues. If you look at the display on the phone now, you should see a message just informing you that the upgrade is taking place. This might take a few minutes to go through, but it shouldn't take too long. Okay. When the firmware is complete, the phone should reboot itself, as you can see on the screen, and we receive a message confirming that the upgrade was successful. We click OK. The next step, we need to go onto the web portal of the hosted PBX system, and here's our demo reseller, and within our reseller we have our demo client, so we need to enter into the client, and here's the client options. As you can see, the client currently has no extension set up, so we need to create ourselves a demo extension. So we click add in extension. There's a lot more to add in an extension than you just saw on the screen, but we'll go through that at the end of the video. So if we click on our extension that we've just created, 001, and this takes us to our extension options. Now we need to provision the phone to the extension, so we click on provisioning, and yes, we want to use provisioning. Click box. From the drop down menu, we need to select our Linksys SPA941 template. As you see, the options have slightly changed there on the screen. This displays our firmware that we've upgraded to the latest version, and also the MAC address. Now, to get the MAC address, we need to open up a new internet browser. To type in the IP address into the search menu, and this takes us to the Linksys SPA941 web page. Okay, so we click on Admin Login, Advanced. This brings up all the settings for the Linksys SPA941, including our provisioning link and the phone info. Now we need to grab the MAC address from the phone info. We need to copy this into our phone template. The format is displayed just to the right of the box there. And hosted PBX only really uses two types of codecs, ULAW and ALAW. So just uncheck the other boxes there, and we click OK. Now, the hosted PBX has provided us with a new HTTP link. We need to copy this HTTP link. Control V. Go into our second browser on the Linksys page. Head to the Provisioning tab. And we need to locate the profile rule. Whatever's in there, we need to delete. We need to paste in our new HTTP link. Just make sure there's no spaces. Now we need to change the resync periodic to 5, the fourth resync delay to 5, and the resync error delay to 5. And what this does is forces the phone to reboot and pull down its brand new profile which we've just created. And we need to click Submit All. Presented with a short message, and if you look at the handset now, you should see it reboot twice. That's the first time. And the second time it reboots, it should show the information that you entered when you created your client. And in this instance, it's Netplan test. And down the right displays your extension number. And now you have a fully functioning Linksys SPA941 provisioned to an extension on the Netplan hosted PBX system. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.